we do have heaven in our beautiful India, and this is our India. Gulmarg! Yes, it's another beautiful day at this. Good morning. It's another beautiful day at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful heaven. So, yes, we just got up, and now the sun is pretty. It's really bright today, and it's very, very nice. So we just got up, and the plan is right now we're just gonna go and finish our breakfast quickly, and then we'll just go around Gulmarg and see what all is there. So yes, stay tuned. Again, there's loads coming in my today's vlog, so don't miss out on the view, guys. So let me quickly go and finish my breakfast, and we're gonna shower, change, and quickly gonna go out. So yes, stay tuned, guys.
I'm very excited.
It's gorgeous. This hotel is really, really gorgeous. Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. Yes, I am here in Gulmarg, and today is another day, and we are actually off to, oops, I dropped my cap. So we are off to do ATV bike because we are planning to go to IGLOO Cafe. There's one SHIV Temple too, so stay tuned guys and keep connected. So guys, अब हम अपनी ATV राइड के लिए जा रहे हैं, और ATV राइड करने का भी अलग फ़न है. अगर आप गुलमर्ग में हैं तो ये ज़रूर करिएगा, बिकॉज़ this is real fun. And yes, ATV बाइक में भी दो रूट्स हैं, लॉन्ग रूट, शॉर्ट रूट. हमने प्रेफर किया लॉन्ग रूट लेना बिकॉज that is covering much more area of Gulmarg, and that will take you to inside Gulmarg, which I wanted. So yes, now I'm very excited. You guys stay tuned, and this is going to be again a super fun vlog. I'll see you guys around. So guys, we are at ATV bike right now. We're gonna go and see the Gulmarg. The rider, my rider, ओके हमें अभी लेके जा रहे हैं ATV बाइक पे, और हमें पूरा गुलमर्ग दिखा रहे हैं. It's so beautiful guys, it's amazing. No wonder why people were so crazy about this place, and it is beautiful. Yippee! It's like so perfect right now. There's snow all around, and the sun is out, and it's perfect. Not too cold, not too hot, and it's really amazing weather today. And apparently they're saying at night it's going to snow, so let's see. I am very excited for that because I haven't seen snow in my life ever, so I just can't wait for that as well. But right now this ATV bike is quite fun. बहुत भीड़ है guys, आप देख सकते हैं. It's very crowded. That's G behind me. ये रास्ता बड़ा खतरनाक है. Guys, अब because of sun थोड़ा आइस मेल्ट हो गया है, तो रास्ता थोड़ा सा slippery है और uneven है. But this is also fun, I guess. So yes, right now it's just taking us towards the end of the Gulmarg. But guys, Gulmarg, अगर मैं बोलूँ तो actually like my last trip was Maldives. That was totally different, and this is totally different experience. And it's beautiful. It's next level. And look at the view at the back. It's so amazing. guys, अभी यहाँ पे traffic हो गया है ATV bikes का, so they're just taking out one by one all the bikes. Gaurav is right there at the back and he's coming. Yay! Gee! G, are you serious? You're still talking on the phone? They're actually passing all the ATVs one by one from that side as well. So now he gave it to me and now I'm gonna ride this ATV and it's so much fun guys. ये बहुत fun है और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है because ये मेरा first time experience है and it is gorgeous to ride ATV, especially here, and it looks so gorgeous. The view is so amazing. It's simply heaven, guys. Yes, in winters, as you can see, all these trees, they all are white. Everything is covered with snow, but right now still I can see the snow, and yes, I am loving it and I'm completely enjoying it, guys. Stay tuned, there's loads coming. And guys, I will still say that if you haven't been here, come and see this beauty. This is super gorgeous place ever. And of course, we had to do this. Woohoo! So guys, we are at U Point where all the ATV bikes, they just come. You can just play around with snow and with such a beautiful view at the back. It's so beautiful, guys. My last travel vlog where we went, it was Maldives, and that was different fun altogether. And this is so different. It's so adventurous. It's so amazing. This is a real beauty. And yes, people are correct. We do have heaven in our beautiful India, and this is our India. What I feel, guys, that अगर आप गुलमर्ग में हैं और अगर आपने ये ATV बाइक और ये व्यू पॉइंट्स नहीं देखा तो आपने कुछ ज़रूर मिस किया. So this is also the must visit place if you are here in Gulmarg, and you have to do this ATV bike tour. It is amazing. People think that Gulmarg is only about gondola. No, it is all about the real beauty. Gulmarg has so much, guys. You can't do and finish Gulmarg in just one day. You need to have like couple of days for this, and that's what we're doing. I am completely enjoying this beauty and this heaven. And yes, this is like a must-have thing here. Maggie with some kava. Yummy. So now they're calling us. We have to go to other point as well. So you guys stay tuned and keep connected. I'll see you around. So sometimes, guys, because of the snow, yahan traffic ho jata hai. So we all are waiting for turn to go to the other side because there are more ATVs coming from the second phase, and it gets very difficult for the two ATVs to cross. So yes, that's why we all are waiting here for them to come so that we will go. अब ठीक है, अब जा सकते हैं हम. चलिए भैया. So guys, we're done from here. Now we're gonna go to the IGLOO Cafe, and I'm very excited to see that as well. So stay tuned. So now we've come to the phase 2 side, and guys, this is the real beauty. I mean, this track is the most gorgeous track ever, I can say that. And it's so beautiful, the snow all around, all the pine trees, and it is super gorgeous. I mean, look at this. Isn't it? It looks so unreal. Wow, it's just such a stunner. So right now everything is covered with snow, which is looking super gorgeous. And yes, this is the most memorable moment of my life. I can totally say that. समर्स में ये पूरा एरिया ग्रीन रहता है एंड इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो. यहाँ पे गोल्फ होता है, चिल्ड्रंस पार्क है, चिल्ड्रंस स्कूल है एंड काफ़ी कुछ है. बट राइट नाउ एवरीथिंग इज़ कवर्ड विद स्नो एंड इट इज़ लुकिंग नेक्स्ट लेवल. Our ATV ride is going to end soon now, and this was super fun. Yes, now we're going to go to IGLOO Cafe, but before that we're going to the hotel just to freshen up, and then we head out again for all the other places. So yes guys, we're done with our ATV tour. बहुत मज़ा आया हमें. अब हम थोड़ा थक गए थे तो हमने सोचा पहले होटल आके वापस आके रेस्ट कर लेते हैं और उसके बाद we'll go to IGLOO Cafe. And yes, now we're back to the hotel and to our room. So guys, now the plan is to step out. Yes, अब हमें IGLOO Cafe और शिव टेम्पल जाना है. गौरव थोड़ा रेस्ट कर रहे हैं. He is not coming with us, so he's saying वो होटल ही रुकेंगे. And yes, we all set for our another crazy adventurous trip. That's G enjoying the tea. Cheers! So let me quickly change and step out before it gets dark. And yes, I've called our guide Arif, and he will take me to both the places. So guys, अब हम जा रहे हैं शिव टेम्पल गुलमर्ग में. ये बहुत फेमस मंदिर है. आरिफ, समर्स में पूरा ग्रीन रहता है. पूरा ग्रीन रहता है, लेकिन समर्स में वो यहाँ पे फिर ये जो स्की और ये सब बंद हो जाता है. फिर वहाँ क्या होता है समर्स में एक्टिविटी? समर में एक्टिविटी तो होता है, वो भी ट्रायल्स की होता है. नहीं, यहाँ क्या एक्टिविटी है? यहाँ कुछ नहीं होता है. अच्छा, कुछ नहीं होता. तो समर में फिर लोग यहाँ क्यों आएंगे? ड्यूटी यहाँ से ग्रीन देखने के लिए, फ्लावर्स वगैरह देखने के लिए. अच्छा. So guys, ये टेम्पल 52 steps we have to take. So guys, that behind me is the Shiv Temple, which is very famous, and it is 120 years old. It's beautiful. I'll share the picture in this vlog. It is beautiful inside, and the view from here is amazing. Look that side. So guys, ये है वो टेम्पल जो बहुत फेमस है. ये 120 years पुराना टेम्पल है, एंड यहाँ आके जो सुकून मिला, it's unimaginable. It's so beautiful here, and the view from this temple is wow. So ये था शिव टेम्पल जो बहुत ही सुंदर था. Now we are gonna go to IGLOO Cafe and check out that place as well. I'm gonna finish that quickly because Gaurav is waiting for me at the hotel, and we're thinking of stepping out at night as well. So let me quickly go and visit IGLOO Cafe also. Yes, I am here at IGLOO Cafe, and this whole place is, as the name says, igloo. It's made of ice. My table, my chair, where I'm sitting, everything is ice here. And enjoy our kava. So I'm going to enjoy my kava, Kashmiri kava, with you can order snacks, or they have a proper menu, everything. So yes, right now I'm going to enjoy my kava, but this place is, if you are here, you should visit. आप ये कितना टाइम के लिए और हैं?
1 महीना.
So this place will last me for 1 more month, that's all. Usually pictures भी बनाते हो, कितना टाइम बनता है? होगा कितना टाइम की कंस्ट्रक्शन है?
नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, 3-4 महीने चल रहा है.
3-4 महीने लगेंगे. चलो ठीक है. So now let me enjoy my kava and I'll see you guys in a minute. So हमारे गाइड ने बताया कि ये जगह बनाने में इनको ऑलमोस्ट 3 to 4 months लग जाते हैं, और अभी ये बस 1 और महीना है IGLOO Cafe का, and that's all. So right now let us just enjoy the kava at this amazing IGLOO Cafe. तो cheers करते हैं आरिफ भाई के साथ. चलिए, कश्मीरी कावा. सर मिस कर रहे हैं. So guys, have you seen the crowd at the back? There are lots of people, and they are here to enjoy this igloo, the place full of ice, and of course the kava. So guys, that behind me was IGLOO Cafe, और अब हमें आरिफ जी होटल ड्रॉप करने वाले हैं. शिव टेम्पल, देन of course our IGLOO Cafe. So that was IGLOO Cafe and Shiv Temple, and I believe both the places are not to be missed if you are here in Gulmarg. So guys, अब मैं होटल आ गई हूँ. थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करने के बाद हम लोग रात को फिर निकलने वाले हैं to check out the local market. So you guys stay tuned, keep connected. So guys, now it's time to check out the local market, and I've heard it's pretty nice. It's not too big. It's where there were only a few shops, but I don't mind to check out and buy a couple of stuff. So yes, here we are, and this market looks pretty decent, and I'm going to buy a couple of stuff because you do get very nice shawls and stoles here. So I'm just gonna buy a couple of them for myself and for the family. So yes, and don't forget to bargain, guys. Bargain is very important here. So I'm done with my shopping, and this was the last night of our Gulmarg. So yes, I had to do this shopping bit, and which I really loved. So this was my Gulmarg diaries, guys, and now tomorrow we're leaving for Pahalgam, and that is again going to be a beautiful journey. So you guys stay tuned and keep connected for my next vlog, where I will show you the beautiful Pahalgam. Hope you enjoyed watching my video, guys. There's loads coming on my channel, so stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Ta-da! Stay safe, stay healthy.